Welcome to Visual Arts Academy. We provide a wide range of courses catering to various interested and skill level students. Now it's the time for calligraphy workshop. Those interested students should register soon. We provide a calligraphy practicing kit. They are Visual Arts Academy Practicing Workbook, lead pencil, brush pen, eraser, scale, and pouch. Let's take a closer look and know what advantages we can gain from practicing calligraphy. Improves creativity, improves focus and concentration, meditative and relaxing, artistic expression, personalized gift and projects, enhanced lettering skills.
Let's practice the calligraphy with our team. Everyone knows practice makes perfect. So we will improve your creativity and help to practice with more and more tips. Let's see how will you write after you finished our workshop. DM for more about our workshop.